That's why they are not impacted. So answer is yes.
Okay.
But they are
Not impacted to the project.
Yeah, so our scope is related to construction activity only. So yes, the answer is yes. Existing ADNOC, there are existing ADNOC facilities near
Near the site,
project site,
near proposed site.
near proposed site location. However, then you populate the project specific to civil construction activity only.
Okay, and however.
Yeah, the project is specific to so there are not. So it's asking for coma.
The project is, yeah, correct.
Okay, then do that other. You remove one, there are two existing on the first line.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, that's done.
So guys, we have seen for comma. Now we'll go for NVID.
Save it.
Yeah. So we'll go for NVID screening. Is environmental baseline is available? Answer is yes. Right?
Yes or no?
Answer is yes. It should be yes.
Yeah, yes. No.
Is this
Environmental baseline is done or not done? Environmental specialist to any environmental baseline is available at site. You know environmental baseline, right? You go to site before that, what is the environmental condition of that site? Suppose you are demolishing and suppose you find that you are petrol listing on the same area, you cannot demolish. So how you do that? I think that the environmental baseline should be done before you go into site. You are demolishing something, where is environmental baseline?
that should be there because this first time I was not here. Maybe in the Shokura,
you have the baseline.
she could have.
You have the baseline.
This should be there because you are simply greenfield, you are touching the site. So there is which is or there is a cultural heritage site in their area. How you know? So that baseline has to be done.
Baseline because the existing company they did
No, the company will do the area, but you have to do what baseline is required. That should be baseline. That should be baseline.
the thing to check.
Yeah, existing baseline is there, of course. It's there.
If not, jump to question 4. What is the question? Are there any other sensitive? Okay.
That is available. Existing baseline must be there. You have to speak to your concerned party. You have to give the date. This is important. This I need to know.
Existing baseline is there.